my god, look at the view. We are going to wake up to this. Started from Kumarakom today at around 10 a.m. after our breakfast, and we bypassed Kochi on the way, and we just realized it's been around 9 to 10 days and we haven't faced something called traffic. Now people like me who stay in Bangalore and who commute from the city center to a place like Whitefield will know how much how much I despise traffic. And although it has inculcated into me several life values like patience, I'm never excited for it. So anyways, it took us around 3 hours, and now we are at this forest stay. It's a tree house. It's at this place called Thrissur. It falls under Thrissur district, and this tree house overlooks this waterfall, and it's the Athirapalli waterfalls. It's said to be the largest waterfalls in Kerala, around 80 feet, and Wikipedia likes to call it the Niagara of India. So we just came back from lunch and we had sadhya, which is the traditional Kerala cuisine, and it's served on a banana leaf, and with a lot of different curries and pickles and papad. So I have had the sadhya at a friend's wedding before, and I noticed it was a little blander. And then we came to know that this resort has hosted lot of foreigners and a lot of celebrities, so they do customize it and keep the food a little milder on the palate. They have hosted Amitabh Bachchan. Most of Mani Ratnam's movies have been made at these falls. Bahubali has been shot at these falls. Although the falls are visible from the tree house, we would like to get a closer look at it. So we are going to trek to the falls. We are on our way to the waterfalls. We just need to purchase the tickets to the waterfall, and then we'll be heading to the Bahubali Falls, as they like to call it. I think the people are very well informed here. So the waterfalls have been open only today, and there are people in buses who are coming here. So you just show your ticket, and there's the normal sanitization of hands and temperature check, and you get in. I don't think it's more of a trek, it's more like a walk to the waterfalls. Top of the waterfalls, and I think this was the most easiest to climb. It's pretty easy, and that's why it's really crowded and touristy. So if you come here at this time of the year or at this time of the pandemic, I would like to say please get your mask, and then sunscreen, sunglasses. Okay, maybe not great shoes. Even if you come in like flip-flops, you can do this. So the way to the top of the falls was pretty easy, but there's another trail which leads to the bottom of the falls, and you can have an entire view of the falls, and the road is not that great. You need good shoes. I almost slipped.
You are not that great.
Sorry?
You are not that great.
Okay, so I almost slipped again. I'm so prone to accidents, I can't help it. So I'll try to be careful and reach down there and show you the view from down the falls. So just we are back from the falls and we stopped at this place for some lime soda, and I was wrong when I said the trek was pretty easy. I mean, there is a way to the top of the falls which is pretty easy, but the part down tricky, I would say, and you do need good shoes. But when you reach down, you see the majestic falls, and there's a signboard there which says that you're not supposed to go to the river, and there's a fine of 2,000 rupees, but people don't seem to mind it. And it was pretty crowded, and I'm not such a fan of such crowded places, touristy places. Although the falls were pretty majestic, we have an option of having the falls all to ourselves from our tree house. So we are going to go to the pool, hit the pool, and I'm sure there's a great view from the pools. So it's early in the morning, and good morning guys. So today we are doing this small walk from the resort down to the river, and it's early in the morning and there's not much heat, and I think it's really perfect for a short walk down to the river. So let's go. Actually, all through the walk you can hear the sound of the river, and she is loud, and on the background there are birds chirping, and there are trees all around you. So it's quite a pleasant walk for the morning, and what a great start to the day. So we have reached this place, and can you believe it, there's nobody around, and there's just this stream of water, and it's really pleasing to the mind. And it was a really nice walk in the morning, probably not in the afternoon because it gets really humid, and I can actually feel the sun rise up on my back. I think anyone who comes to the resort should do this walk, and the views are really nice. Can you see that? Behind me probably is the only view of the waterfalls, but I still prefer this view because yesterday we went to the waterfalls and it was really so touristy, especially in this pandemic times, when you're on a vacation and you still have to wear your mask and everything. It doesn't still feel like a vacation. So I prefer this morning walk so much over the visit to the waterfalls yesterday. This resort has a great activity area, as I showed you before. It has a great pool, a great breakfast area, and let me just show you the rooms, there is only one tree house where we are staying, and I believe there are 5 other rooms. However, because of the pandemic times, they are keeping it half occupancy according to the guidelines given by the government, and I'll show you the rooms. The rooms too have a view to the waterfalls. They also have AC, which is not there in the tree house, but I believe it's not so close to the waterfalls. And yesterday night we were just standing at our tree house and having a great time, and we could actually feel the falls, the wind from the falls. This is something I believe you will not get from the cottages or the rooms which are there. So let me take you around, uh, give you a tour of our tree house. So you have to climb up these stairs, and the moment you are at the gate, there's this bell, and you just ring it. Did you hear? Okay, that is for all the staff. Whenever they come and they get you your food or any other amenities, they just ring this and you come to the gate. And beyond that, you walk forward. See that bell? Yeah. So you walk forward, and as you walk forward, you have a great view of the Majestic Falls. And I think by far this is the best view in the entire resort, because it is the closest to the falls. And then you slide open the door, and there are beautiful white curtains, and there's a really cute room, I would like to say. It's small, but it has all the amenities, and very intelligently they have placed like a mosquito net, so to save yourself from all the flies. And we were informed beforehand that there was no AC, because they want to keep it all natural. And one more thing about the resort, they have this strict policy of farm to table, so everything you eat here has been grown in the property. Isn't it really nice? Yes, I think it's really nice, and it's a way forward. So let me tell you about the room. The room is small, spacious, and has all the amenities. Bathroom has a shower and the normal stuff, as nothing very fancy. But I think this is once in a life opportunity, and whoever's watching this should come to this tree house.